Hi friends, this is Joseph and I'm gonna show you how did I do my JUnit tutorial and the methods that I included. So let's go to Eclipse right here. De vogela.junit.first. I have a source folder and a test folder with the same name of package. The main classes that we have is the my class, which has the regular methods, and you can see it here, and the my class test, which has the tests that are going to be reflected on the JUnit. Also, we have here in the lib, the folder I created, junit.jar file, and the other junit.jar file with all the um, runners, experimental, all the packages. Alright, um, so let's go to my class. We have here three methods. The one of the tutorial, which multiplies, it's fixed. Originally it was a division, now it's a multiplication. It's fine. These two I created them. The sum, which is actually a subtraction, and a division by zero, which is a mathematical error. If we see the my class test, it's testing test multiply my class tester my new my class, the answer equals comparing if it's equal. In tester multiply, 5 times 10 should be equal to 50. So if this is not right according to the method on my class, it should throw an error. And well, in this case that should be fine, and we'll see the results later. In the test sum, it's supposed to sum the numbers. So if we have a 9 and a 4 as parameters, the answer should be 13. So this is the tester. And it's going to say if it's actually returning the right answer. And finally, test division, it's kind of trying to see if X number, let's say 25, divided by another number, it's 0. It's actually impossible. And we also remember that in my class I have m through 0, so any number that's it's here is going to throw an exception. So what we do is the following: we click here, we run as JUnit test, and we opened right here, and we have it here. Per each method we have an evaluation. We can see here that we have either check mark, which is green, an error, which is the red, and a failure, which is a blue, and I will have one of each. Test multiply, it's fine. Test sum, it's a failure because it's not 9 minus 4, it's 5, not 13. So it's a failure on the output of the method. And finally, test division, it's an error. Why? Because it's an exception. Any number, as soon as m is divided by 0, it returns an exception, not even an answer. So that's why it gives an error. And this is how JUnit works. Very useful tutorial, very useful tool. It should be very useful to use it, and very fundamental maybe in when working with big projects with that content like a lot of lines. I think it's worth it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.